The Judicial Service Commission, the JSC, has recommended the suspension of High Court Judge Judge Chitembwe and further investigations of corruption, impropriety and gross misconduct allegations levelled against him. JSC, chaired by Chief Justice Martha Koome, has asked President Uhuru Kenyatta to constitute a tribunal to probe Judge Chitembwe after concluding that there were sufficient grounds for his removal from office. And as our Francis Gashuri reports, Chitembwe is no stranger to controversy and will be on half pay, awaiting his fate's determination by a 7-member tribunal.
55-year-old Judge Chitembwe faces the risk of an early, disgraceful and unceremonious exit from the judiciary after the Judicial Service Commission recommended his removal from office over allegations of corruption, conflict of interest and gross misconduct. The judge, who joined the judiciary in 2009, was nailed by 4 petitions seeking his removal, filed by former Nairobi Governor Mike Sonko, Francis Wambua, Imrad Bij and David Lebo Ole Kilusu. The commission, chaired by Chief Justice Martha Koome, has written to President Uhuru Kenyatta asking him to invoke provisions of Article 168 of the Constitution that outlines the procedure of removing a judge from office. Chitembwe grabbed the headlines in November last year for all the wrong reasons after Sonko unleashed a series of secretly recorded videos linking the High Court judge to bribery, extortion and gross violation of the Judicial Code of Conduct. The ousted governor, in what he termed Sonko leaks, had accused Chitembwe of soliciting and obtaining hefty bribes through intermediaries in a case he was handling. In that case, Sonko was contesting his removal as governor through impeachment.
It's good you have asked some of these questions.
Other than Sonko's petition, Chitembwe has also been placed in a tight spot by 3 other petitions filed against him by Francis Wambua, Imrad Bij and David Lebo Ole Kilusu. Among the allegations confirmed by JSC is the judge's handling of a land dispute in Kwale County without declaring interest, contravening the Judicial Code of Conduct. With JSC's recommendation, President Kenyatta will within 14 days from today suspend Judge Chitembwe from his duties in the High Court. The judge will be on half pay during the period of suspension. The president will also establish a 7-member tribunal to hear and determine the veracity of allegations against the judge. The tribunal will comprise a chairperson and 3 members who are judges of a superior court or qualify for such appointment, 1 advocate of 15 years standing and 2 other persons with experience in public affairs. The tribunal will be expected to inquire into the allegations against the judge and report back to the president with binding recommendations. If the tribunal recommends the judge's removal, his 13-year journey as a judicial officer will come to an end. He will, however, have an opportunity to contest the tribunal's recommendation at the Supreme Court within 10 days. If the tribunal finds no merit in the allegations against him, Judge Chitembwe will return to office. Chitembwe is no stranger to controversy. Last year, together with his High Court colleague Agri Muchelule, were arrested by detectives and later released in a sting operations over corruption allegations. The judge claimed the over 700,000 shillings in US dollars found in his possession when he was arrested was his son's school fees at a university in Australia. Francis Gashuri, Citizen TV.